If you were to ask me what my favorite sport is, my answer would be swimming. I started learning how to swim when I was 5 years old, and I have been swimming ever since. There are many reasons why I love swimming, but I will just share a few with you. Maybe I can even encourage you to go for a swim. The first reason is swimming can be extremely relaxing. I love the feeling of floating on the water and feeling almost weightless. Find that whenever I leave the pool, I feel totally relaxed. On the other hand, it can be also a fast-paced competitive sport which raises your heartbeat. It's amazing pushing yourself to the challenge of beating someone else to the finish line, and it's great fun racing across the pool as fast as you can. Trying little tricks like underwater handstands and flips also puts a big smile on my face. Another reason that I love swimming is that it has more variety than other sports. Swimming offers many different strokes, so it doesn't feel like you are stuck doing the same thing over and over again. Adding swimming equipments like flippers, snorkel, flipboards, hand paddles changes the experience again and again and can help you develop your swimming technique. In the summer, swimming provides a nice refreshing break. There's nothing better than jumping into water of a on a hot sweltering summer's day. The pool makes you feel instantly better, and I think it adds to the summer holiday feeling. It is the summer months when I swim the most. It is a sport which can be done all over the world in many beautiful locations. You can choose to swim in a swimming pool or go to splash in the sea or in the rivers or lakes nearby. And finally, it's a life skill.